Hello everyone again and welcome again to my channel. Share your story, Ronnie Harabel. Well, this time we are here again to that's not just by story, but this is malaga po nating malalaman, or it's very important to know about the new updates here in YT. And kailangan po kasi ang bawat upload natin ay kailangan po medyo careful tayo ngayon sa bawat istorya ng ating ina-upload dito sa ating mga channels. So that's why it's very be careful, or we have to be careful this time because of the new updates of this year 2026 and this January, and also the coming month of February. Well, YT has new updates, and kung hindi pa po kayo hindi nyo pa na kita yon, ay kailangan pong ating pong malaman ang bawat update ni YT. Well, this time, very important kasi ito. Pero bagong lahat yan, ay kailangan po natin subscribe sa aking channel, and please click the notification bell for the newly update ng aking video. And also, you can like and comment whatever we are here talking about this my video. And this time, nandito po tayo because I will share with you right now about the story today that I'm gonna tell you that YT updates this year 2026. So it's really damaging our channels kung if we do not careful about or we're gonna be we will not be take good care of our channel. So it's a big problem. Well, to avoid this problem, we must know about these updates. So kailangan po, no? We need to um, study, we need to search, we need to see the updates. Uh, why? Well, here we go, and one of the reason that I'm gonna share with you because I really care and concern also your channel because pinagtrabahuhan natin ito workout natin ito for the sake po na magkaroon po din tayo channel. So here we go, at ito po yung update na ipapakita ko sa inyo. And sa YouTube policy updates, nakikita natin kung ano po naka-importante dito. Okay? So babasa natin, we can read this articles or dito po sa kay YT policy updates. Sabi dito is it's say this article summarizes recent and past updates made on YouTube's policies or other updates relevant to, okay, YouTube creators. So paki-check up nyo po yung ang creator updates po. You can check them. Okay, so ito lang po kasi there are two categories that we're gonna notice. Okay, that's the latest updates is number one, which is the product and the feature policies. Okay, number one, itong January 2026. Okay, this January 26. So safe, ano ba? What is the updates, the latest updates of the policy of YouTube updates to all of us, all the creators, or to have all the channels, especially you are monetized. So we have to be take good care of our channel. So we have to be careful. Okay. So according to this, the first one is January 26. Okay. So safeguards for search results. So which is ano ba? What is the updates? So to protect younger viewers, okay, to the younger viewers. So YouTube concerned about the younger viewers, not just para po I mean YouTube just want to to care about our uh, young people or children, just aware to this problem, that it might be produce some uh, mga bagay na or kasasama po ng mga kabataan. Okay? So YouTube is adding a new search safety protection for teens that will prevent results from appearing for search term. So link it to content that is either restricted or violated. So isa na rin po sa pag-research yan, hindi mo na siya masyadong ma-research. No? This is, I think, na aking pag-intindi. At the same time po, tayo po be careful din po. No? Diba, meron naman dyan sa settings. Hindi para siya talaga sa mga kabataan. So, yeah, may meron pong ano dyan mga age, no? Na mga edad, no? Para nandoon. Kaya it's prefer po talaga ito, no, para sa ating lahat. And especially for politics, especially for whatever na mga hindi magandang mga content na maka-effect po sa mga kabataan ngayon or to the younger people. So alam po naman natin kung ano mo yung mga content natin, okay? So we really study this about the purpose why YouTube policy updates, para din po sa atin ito, okay? Para din po sa atin ito kung ating po pakinggan po si YouTube at ating pong mag-obey lang po tayo sa kanyang policy at wala pong mangyari sa ating channels. So ito po at yes, at because YouTube, I believe that YouTube wanted to our channel will be continue to progress, to continue to para po tayo mag-enjoy po dito sa ating mga ginagawa dito sa ating mga vlogging dito sa channel po. Okay. So, yun po ang nice naman po ni YouTube para sa ating lahat. So, number 2 po yun. So, ito po ang February 26 coming po ito sa next month po. That's why kaya po nagkakaprima po yung mga sa ating mga di ba, sa mga updates, no, ni analytics minsan di accurate na po ang nangyari because simply ginagawa po nila ito ngayon. So ano naman po, makikita naman po natin ito sa inform naman po tayo ni YT. So that's it, upcoming changes this coming February 26, sabi dito ni sa YouTube policy updates is sa upcoming changes, the number of concurrent live stream. Ito naman po ibatay sa mga na nag-live streams talaga. No? So YouTube is reducing the number of maximum concurrent live streams allowed. Meaning mayroon na pa ng yung allowed lang at saka hindi na po. So an individual stream key or channel will be limited in the number of concurrent live stream it can broadcast. Okay, this update will roll cut in the next few months. So ako isa na rin po ako nag-live stream din. So abangan po natin kung ano po ang mga concern ni YouTube at sa mga live streaming at aware na po tayo dito at siguro is we need to understand about the policy. Kahit pa ako isa din po ako dito na kasi nagla-live stream din po ako. So well, probably it's good for us for para tayo warningan, para po tayo bigyan po ng pamaraan po, no, na tayo po maging maayos din po ang ating mga content. Okay, so actually it's good for us, para sa lahat po. At hindi lang po para sa akin, kundi para sa ating lahat. And yun po ang mga updates ni YouTube, no? Sana po huwag nating baliwalain ito at para sa ito, para sa akin. And para po tayo lumago, para maging maganda po ang ating content. Okay, so yan po ang ating share ngayon sa ah, bagong video ko ngayon na ating na-upload. At sana po'y makakatulong at makapagbigay po sa atin ang alarming at warning. Okay? Para lalo tayo pong lumago sa ating mga channel. Alright, so dito na lang po tayo, and thank you for all those continue for supporting my channel. Okay? So again, this is your story Ronnie Harbel, at huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like at mag-comment sa aking sa, sa aking video po. Maraming salamat po, and this is share your story Ronnie Harbel. See you again the next upload video. Bye bye.